beautiful people. Chefchaouen, the Blue City. So we're gonna see some waterfalls, some blue streets, and vegan tagine. Let's go. We're in the Medina of Chefchaouen. Shops, herbal stores, and blue everywhere. Vegetable tagine, vegetable couscous. Got the fries, because why not? And the bread and the kitty. Alright, beautiful people. This is the Blue City of Chefchaouen. There aren't any vegan restaurants here, but you can get vegetable tagine and vegetable couscous every day, anywhere, all day.
He gets it off. He got sick because we drank too much instead. That's why. It feels like water.
Yesterday,
Yeah, but
They like built a restaurant over this waterfall. So the big waterfall that takes a long hour or 2 hour hike is actually out of water. So we're just seeing the cascades coming down this way. The Spanish mosque is over there. And this is the hike up. But, you know, beautiful views on the way. Come on. Yalla, yalla. Look at the wall over there. Yeah. Yeah. Yalla, yalla. Yeah. You make it up the trail, Chefchaouen, to the Spanish mosque. You can enjoy a beautiful sunset. So if you come to Chefchaouen, come up to the Spanish mosque and catch a sunset. It's beautiful. Look at this. Peacocks out here, y'all. Peacocks, man. Peacocks. Peacocks. That's where we just came from. The Spanish mosque. Look at this, vegan pancakes with fucking cinnamon and bananas. Snack asada in the Chefchaouen Medina. Mushroom tagine for breakfast and avocados. Argon, yeah. Yeah, they made us vegan preps. And you dip them in this almond butter and argan oil mix. Okay, you have not lived. Spanish capital in the Medina of Chefchaouen. Oh, the cats. So we came to Aroma to check out the argan oil, and they got natural argan oils as well as amlou. You gotta try it. Banana bread, falafels, hummus, of course, Miriam's plate. These views. Right in front of the Spanish castle right here. Yo, we got eggplants, hummus, falafels, Moroccan salad, beets and walnuts, carrots, veggies, lentils, views, blessed. Banana bread. Oh, Hamza. Just like that. All right, y'all. So that was Chefchaouen, the majestic blue city. Hope you all enjoyed it. We're gonna explore some more of Morocco. And more vegan food. Stay tuned. Blue City. Would you look at